Hey everyone, in today's video we are talking about LSSC, that is Lightning Shared Scooter Company, and a big question that's been flooding in the comments: why can't people withdraw their money anymore? Is this a temporary issue or the scam finally crashing? Let's just break that down in today's video. So here is the situation. LSSC is this so-called scooter rental platform where you invest crypto, tap a few buttons, and supposedly earn high returns. But lately users are reporting they can't withdraw the funds, not even the small amounts. That's usually the first sign that a Ponzi scheme is running out of the new investors. Now here is where it gets even shadier. People from South Africa are claiming this isn't even the first time. Apparently, LSSC is just a rebranded version of something that is called Pulse Glide, which ran a nearly identical scooter rental scam. Same promises, same business model, and surprise, that one collapsed too after about a year of payouts. What's worse, there is no real scooters, no visible headquarters, and no company owners, just big promises and a fancy looking application. Once recruitment slows down, the platforms like this stop paying, and based on the recent traffic data and the user complaints, that drop has already started. So is LSSC a scam? It looks like history is repeating itself in front of you and people are losing real money. So if you are stuck in this or thinking of joining, think twice. These platforms don't crash because their business failed. They crash because there was never a real business to begin with. So if you want a legit way to build passive income without failing for these types of crypto traps, you can check out my top recommendation in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart here. Thanks for watching.